No way. So today we're gonna be reviewing our mystery package from Made by Mitchell. But first, cue the music.
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to.
Okay, I did it again. Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart. I ordered another mystery box. This one is from Made by Mitchell. To be honest, I've been interested to try it. Well, actually, I find their whole marketing is just so fun. Like their packaging and stuff is really fun. Good things come in green packages. Yes, I agree. Green paper. Ta-ching! Ooh, let's open it. Ooh. We got a lot of stuff, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stuff. So cute. Look at this like little sponge. So adorable. Actually, it's a nice sponge. Yeah, this is like a good sponge. You can feel it. Made by Mitchell. This is like a little cute little pouch. I'm gonna use this actually. I always need like a little pouch for my makeup put in my bag, so it's perfect. Ooh, so we got blush, another blush. Ooh, another blush. So we got 2 liquid blushes, 1 cream blush, and we have a nice little brush. Oh, this is a cute little brush as well. It's nice bristles. I can never have too many brushes, to be honest. You can see my brushes. I don't know. What's funny is I have so much brushes, but every time I want to do a specific look, suddenly I have no brushes. I love a good brush. And then we have our All Lip No Trip. What's All Lip No Trip? All Lip No Trip is our lip liner, I believe, which is cute. It's the packaging really is cute, to be honest. Oh, so it's like a berry colored lip liner. I like the branding of Made by Mitchell. It's very fun. You know, I love fun packaging. It makes you want to have fun using the products. Struggle is real. Okay, we got it. Ooh, it's a nice berry color. Yeah, I really love the neon fun packaging. And you can see the liquid blush. So I've got 2 colors of the liquid blush. We got the mango daiquiri, so it's probably like a really nice orange blush. So this is perfect. Oh, look at that, it's so beautiful. Like very orange. You always get a nice like peachy blush, but this is very orangey. Got a nice shimmer to it as well. I have a nice idea.
Good job!
You can get all like nice and sun-kissed. And this is also orange daiquiri, so in the cream blush. So we're gonna really like take this color, the orange daiquiri, we're gonna take it to the max. Really got into the color. But yeah, basically our last blush. It's not blush, it's blush. Yeah, that's how I also say blush. Wow, we think alike. I'm really liking the Made by Mitchell branding. This one is called the Pink Linex. And look at it, it's just pink and sparkly. So like it's a sparkly. Ooh. Okay, I think I know what I want to do. I already got eyelashes on and we already got our eyebrows done. We're just going to do our concealer and foundation. Get bigger canvas to work with. So for concealer, I'm going to use L'Oreal, the L'Oreal Skin Ink. Wherever needs. Yeah, we'll just do concealer instead of color correcting. I think the concealer will work. Gonna work fast with this concealer because it dries up. It dries up, it's lightweight, but it has good coverage. Now that we got our coverage, we're just gonna get some of our powder from Juvia's Place. Set our concealer. There you go. It's all set. Now we're going to use for our foundation Maybelline Super Stay. So about like 3 pumps. We're gonna get our brush, get into our foundation, and we're gonna just our face. Foundation for the summer. You wanna like all day look, very buildable coverage, affordable. It's a drugstore foundation. Very nice actually. Now we're gonna just take our setting spray. I'm using Tier, just like spraying that on my powder, on my sponge. This just makes that sets in your concealer. So when you spray your setting spray into your sponge and like wet it with your sponge, it kind of like sets in your foundation. So it's very nice for like a long all day wear for your foundation. Now I'm going to use the Hollywood contour wand from Charlotte Tilbury. It's more of a bronzer because it's very warm, so I'm using that to give myself like a sun-kissed, you know, look. Get into our hairline. Gonna get our little sponge. What I hate about the Charlotte Tilbury wand is the leakage. Look at my fingers. It's all contour. Contour all over my fingers. I have to wash this later. Now we're gonna just spray our little sponge with our Tier. We're gonna just contour our nose. Just gonna take the skin ink and then we're gonna take our Pink NYX blush and we're going to just put one on our eyelid, and we're just going to I'll take the orange cream blush, the Mango Daiquiri, and I'll use that as my blush. Put a little bit on my eye. It's just gonna give me a nice golden look. We're gonna take the orange liquid blush. Well, we're gonna add about 3 dots, 5 dots. We're gonna use the M27 brush that came with our mystery box. Get a little bit of it on my nose. Now we're gonna do a little bit of the pink, 2 dots here. Yeah. And we'll get our brush. Oh yeah, look at that. Just goes, right? Yeah, that is so cute. Highlighter, luminous blush. It's a highlighter blush, but yeah, that is so cute. So we're just going to use, for our mascara, we're gonna use the Color Studio Buzz Buzz mascara by Marie Dalgard. So cute. we're just going to powder.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Just powder under our eyes. Wherever feels a little kind of greasy. To like, wherever feels like oil shine. We still want that shine. This is why we're here. We're here for the shine. Okay, now I'm gonna take that blush again and just use that to kind of like highlight my nose. So cute. So we're gonna spray it down with our e.l.f. Dewy setting spray. Now we're gonna get our lip liner. Ta-da! So this is our Bold Berry. Ooh, yay! A lip liner that shows up. I'm gonna use the color Chic from Juvia's Place. Just to continue that pink girly look. And then we're gonna use the lip oil. This one is from Beauty Bay. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute, but so messy. Just gonna wash my hands. I'll be back.
2,000 years later.
Guess I'm gonna have to soak these nails for a bit. But overall, oh my god, I'm loving this look. Oh my god, it's giving beach Barbie, Malibu Barbie. So cute. First of all, love everything from Made by Mitchell. This is the first time that I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10. Everything was really good. It's just the formulation. The color was exactly what I was looking for. I wanted like that beachy, summery, you know, golden glow. The pink blush and the orange blush together, it was like sunrise on my cheeks. Just beautiful. It really went really well together. So the blush, by the way, as a eyeshadow also is really cute. Other than my mystery box, and I also got some, so this is my phone. It's kind of sad. We got this purple phone case that I got from Amazon. It's a basic phone case, and I put some stickers on it, and the stickers also faded as well. Basic phone cover, and my sister, she always has some cool phone covers, so I was a bit jealous. So I ordered these phone covers from Cheerer. Oh, it's so cute actually, the packaging. So you get like little stickers. Oh, and she included like a little Hello Kitty face mask. And then it's like this heart-shaped bubble wrap. So cute. Oh, so this is... Oh, this is the Skull Panda, the sound mask. Because I ordered, actually, I love Skull Panda. I know everybody loves Labubu. Labubu's cute. I'm more of a Skull Panda fan. Oh, it's so cute. It comes with a card. This is the company, Cheerer. So, customized cream glue products made by, it's handmade. Due to slight airiness, during transport, please store 2 to 3 days after receiving your goods. I stored this for more than 2 to 3 days after receiving it. But yeah, this is a very cute brand. Thank you for shopping and have a nice day. Oh, each one is just individually wrapped. I'm just so excited to open this up. Ooh. No way. Look at this. So beautiful. This is a phone cover, by the way. First of all, this is hands down one of the best. Look at that. That's so beautiful. This is like craftsmanship. I really love this store. So I guess this is where I'm supposed to add the little helmets. Oh, fits right in. Perfect. Oh my god. I gotta put this on my phone. First, let's remove this one. Goodbye. Oh my god. This is so cute. Ah! This is so cute. It's actually pretty comfortable. You can like hold it like this. This is so cute. I love it. Oh my god. This is so adorable. I've not seen anything that looks that beautiful. And I got another phone case. To be honest, there's a lot of cute options on the website, so I had choice paralysis. I didn't really know what to pick. And this one is also very cute, so if I want something a little bit more simple, but yeah. I love this. This is so cute. This is amazing. I'm just like, now my life is complete. Oh my god, I just love this. I really love this. I can't even explain how much I love this. This just made my day. This really did, you know? It just like brightened my day. I just love it so much. It's just so beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person. I can't explain like how amazing this looks, how intricate, how detailed. Look at the details. This is very cute. This is very amazing. This is like, it's giving me everything. I love this store already. I'm going to link them down below. If you guys are looking for a badass, like really amazing, beautiful, intricate phone cases, this, you gotta go. This is what it's called. Share. It's CHEROR. That's the brand. I'm gonna link their website. You're gonna also have choice paralysis like me. It takes a while to get here, but I believe because they make it by hand and they source it and they tell you like what's amazing about this website is every step of the way they're keeping you updated. They're telling you, oh, we're making it right now. We just got your supplies to make your phone. We're doing the finishing touches. We're waiting for it to dry. It's gonna be shipped. We just packaged it. Now it's gonna reach you in this much amount of dates. Like they were updating me every step of the way. They're very amazing. Like I can't even like describe how amazing this is. This is really good. I love it. So I'm gonna take my phone. I'm gonna take my blushes. If you guys are interested in me trying anything else from Made by Mitchell, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if we want to get more products to try out. So write down in the comments what you like, what do you think about Made by Mitchell? Is there anything that you love from Made by Mitchell that you want me to try out? And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Toodles.
Cooking up some delicious foodie fun.